In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a roadmap slide in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, clear slide that shows a sequence of steps or milestones in a way your audience can grasp at a glance. First, open Canva. From the home screen, click on Presentation to start a slide in the standard widescreen format. This gives you the right canvas size for slides you'll share in a meeting, webinar, or deck. Once your presentation canvas loads, look to the Templates panel on the left. In the Templates search bar, type Roadmap or Timeline. This pulls up a variety of pre-designed options that already include lines, markers, and text blocks set up for sequential storytelling. Scan through and choose a layout that matches your content and the space you'll need. If your steps move left to right and you'll present on a screen, a horizontal timeline is typically easiest to follow. If you're building something for a scrolling document or need a top-to-bottom progression, a vertical layout can work beautifully. Pick the one that best supports how you want people to read the information. Now, add a clear, descriptive title at the top of the slide. Think of this as your headline. It should summarize what the roadmap covers, such as a project plan, product rollout, or learning journey. Keep it concise and make sure it sets context so viewers immediately understand what they're looking at. Next, insert milestones along the line in your chosen template. These are the key points in your process. Use the existing markers or shapes and space them evenly to reflect the flow. If one phase lasts longer, you can give it a bit more room, but aim for balance so the slide feels organized. Align the markers neatly with Canva's guides to keep everything straight and readable. Add short labels or dates for each step. Keep text brief, just the step name and, if helpful, a date or time frame. Use consistent phrasing and formatting across all labels. Place each label close to its milestone without crowding the line, and make sure the font size is large enough to read from a distance. Finally, use icons to represent stages. Open the Elements panel, search for simple matching icons, and place one by each milestone. Choose a cohesive style and keep icon sizes consistent so they support the story without overpowering the text. With that, your roadmap slide is complete, clear, structured, and ready to present.